A life lived for others becomes a legacy remembered by generations. Some lives inspire, some create change, and some continue to guide generations. One such remarkable personality was late Srimati Taramai Narsiha Vartak, our beloved Mai. Born on 21st August 1926, Mai devoted her life to education, social service, women's empowerment, healthcare, and rural development. From Sarpanch of Virar Gram Panchayat to Cabinet Minister of Maharashtra, and as the first woman president of Thane Jilla Parishad, she created a remarkable legacy of leadership and service. Her birth centenary is not merely a celebration of 100 years. It is a celebration of her vision, values, service, and inspiration. This remarkable initiative was conceived and led by Prachi Bhagya Vartak Madam, President of the School Managing Committee, whose deep sense of responsibility and dedication transformed an inspiring idea into a meaningful year-long celebration. Her vision has given us an opportunity to honor Mai's legacy, celebrate her values, and carry forward her noble contribution to education and society. Throughout the centenary year, the schools of AVA Education Society organized educational, cultural, social, and awareness initiatives to honor her legacy. These were not just events, but meaningful steps towards understanding and carrying forward Mai's ideals. This is not merely the story of a century gone by, but it is the beginning of a legacy for the centuries to come. Late Srimati Taramai Narsiha Vartak, our Mai, our inspiration, and our legacy.
माईंची प्रेरणा सृजनांची साधना, रंगांची उधळण कलेची आराधना, संस्कारांची साथ कल्पनांची भरारी, हस्तकलेतून घडो यशाची शिदोरी. आगाशी विरार अर्नाळा शिक्षण संस्थेच्या माजी अध्यक्षा आदरणीय श्रीमती तारामाई वर्तक उर्फ माई साहेब यांच्या जन्मशताब्दी वर्षानिमित्त संस्थेच्या सर्व मराठी व इंग्रजी माध्यमांच्या शाळांमध्ये विविध शैक्षणिक, सांस्कृतिक व कौशल्याधारित उपक्रमांचे आयोजन करण्यात आले. विद्यार्थ्यांमधील कलागुणांना वाव मिळावा, त्यांच्यात सृजनशीलता विकसित व्हावी आणि पर्यावरणपूरक जीवनशैलीची जाणीव निर्माण व्हावी या उद्देशाने केजी हायस्कूल आगाशी शाळेद्वारे संस्थेच्या मराठी व इंग्रजी माध्यमाच्या सर्व शाळांमध्ये हस्तकला कार्यशाळा यशस्वीरित्या पार पडली. टाकाऊपासून टिकाऊ या संकल्पनेवर आधारित विविध आकर्षक हस्तकला वस्तू प्रत्यक्ष तयार करून दाखवण्यात आल्या. कार्यशाळेत विद्यार्थ्यांनी विविध आकर्षक प्रतिकृती साकारत उपस्थितांची मने जिंकली. त्यांच्या कलाकृतीतून कल्पकता, बारकाई, सौंदर्यदृष्टी, मेहनत तसेच पर्यावरण संरक्षण व पुनर्वापराची जाणीव प्रकर्षाने दिसून आली.
A mega health camp was organized on 5th March 2026 by KG High School Agashi in the premises of NG Vartak English Medium High School and Junior College in association with the Lions Club and Leo Club of Agashi. The camp was specially organized for the teaching and non-teaching staff of AV Education Society with the aim of promoting health awareness and encouraging regular health checkups among the staff members. The initiative received an overwhelming response with approximately 143 staff members actively participating in the health camp. The successful organization of this mega health camp reflects the commitment of the institutions towards the health, happiness and welfare of the education community. Health is the greatest wealth and caring for it is our greatest responsibility. A guidance program for teachers was organized by Anna Sahib Vartak Smarak Vidya Mandir and Dr. DJ Galvankar Smarak Vidya Mandir at NG Vartak English Medium High School and Junior College and Dr. NP Shah English Medium School and Junior College on 13th October 2025. The session conducted by Professor Kautuk Marolia, a clinical psychologist and professor at Viva Junior and Senior College, focused on stress management, emotional well-being and positive teaching practices. The session highlighted that a happy teacher creates a joyful and effective learning environment. The program was an enriching initiative promoting teachers' well-being, professional satisfaction and happiness.
स्वर्गीय तारामाई वर्तक यांच्या जन्मशताब्दी वर्षानिमित्त विद्यालयात विद्यार्थ्यांच्या सर्वांगीण विकासासाठी विविध क्रीडा उपक्रमांचे आयोजन करण्यात आले. विद्यार्थ्यांमध्ये आत्मविश्वास, नेतृत्व गुण व क्रीडा भावना वृद्धिंगत करण्यासाठी स्वर्गीय तारामाई वर्तक सर्वांगीण विजेतेपद व स्वर्गीय तारामाई वर्तक नैपुण्य चषक या पुरस्कारांची स्थापना करण्यात आली. दिनांक 25 नोव्हेंबर 2025 रोजी विविध वैयक्तिक क्रीडा स्पर्धा उत्साहात पार पडल्या. विद्यार्थ्यांनी जिद्द, चिकाटी व क्रीडा कौशल्याचे उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन केले. सर्वाधिक गुण मिळवणाऱ्या विद्यार्थ्यांना सर्वांगीण विजेतेपद तर उत्कृष्ट कामगिरी करणाऱ्यांना नैपुण्य चषक, पदके व प्रमाणपत्रे देऊन सन्मानित करण्यात आले. विद्यार्थी, शिक्षक व पालकांच्या उत्स्फूर्त सहभागामुळे हा उपक्रम यशस्वी ठरला. स्वर्गीय तारामाई वर्तक यांच्या प्रेरणादायी कार्याचा वारसा जपत शिस्त, गुणवत्ता आणि क्रीडा भावना रुजवणारा हा उपक्रम संस्मरणीय ठरला.
Inspired by Mai's vision of humanity and selfless service, Dr. N.P. Shah English Medium School and Junior College organized a meaningful seminar on awareness of organ donation on 11th April 2026. The session was conducted by Mr. Purushottam Pawar, founder of Federation of Organ and Body Donation, Mumbai. The seminar highlighted how a single donor can save several lives. The seminar became a powerful call for compassion, responsibility, and humanity.
NG Vartak English Medium High School and Junior College organized an inter-school debate competition for students from all schools under AV Education Society. The competition was conducted in two groups, standards 5th to 7th and standards 8 to 10. This thoughtful initiative reflects the foresight, vision and unwavering commitment of Sri Vikas Vartak Sir, President of AV Education Society, whose dedication transformed an idea into an enriching platform for young minds. It proved that when education inspires thought, young voices become the strength of tomorrow. The semi-final and final rounds were evaluated by a panel of distinguished educators for both English and Marathi medium. The competition encouraged students to think independently, respect diverse opinions, and express their views with confidence and conviction. A good debate does not create winners and losers. It creates better thinkers. Shantaram Bapuji Jadhav English Medium High School, Sandeep, organized an inter-school science exhibition competition on 5th January 2026 for students of grade 5th to 10th. The exhibition showcased innovative models and experiments based on scientific principles and water-related themes. The exhibits were evaluated by Mr. Joshi Sir. The competition provided students with an inspiring platform to explore scientific concepts, share innovative ideas, and develop a spirit of curiosity, discovery, and innovation.
As part of the centenary celebrations of late Srimati Taramai Vartak, a wall painting competition was organized for teachers by Bhausaheb Vartak Vidya Mandir and Padma Shri Bhausaheb Vartak English Medium School, Nale. Schools across the organization participated enthusiastically, creating vibrant paintings on themes including Mai's life journey, water conservation, environmental protection, cyber security, child welfare and education. The competition provided a creative platform to highlight social responsibility and celebrate Mai's inspiring legacy. The initiative was widely appreciated as a creative tribute to Srimati Taramai Vartak's contribution to society. As a part of the centenary year celebrations of late Srimati Taramai Vartak, the drama Vicharanse Bijaropan was presented by Srimati Taramai Vartak Memorial Academy CBSE across the schools and colleges of AVA Education Society. The play highlighted Mai's progressive and visionary approach to education, emphasizing values, skills, creativity, and holistic development. Through a powerful theatrical presentation, the performance beautifully connected her educational vision with the needs of modern education, showing how many of her progressive ideas continue to remain relevant even today. Vicharan Se Bijaropan was more than a drama, it was a tribute to her foresight and educational philosophy, inspiring the younger generations to pursue learning with knowledge, values, skills, and purpose.
As a part of the celebration, the institutions of AV Education Society came together with a shared vision to create vibrant herbal gardens that would become live classroom for learning, health, and sustainability. The gardens are spaces where students learn by observing nature, identifying herbs, understanding traditional Ayurvedic wisdom, and caring for the environment. The initiative encourages responsibility, teamwork, environmental awareness, and respect for biodiversity. As these herbs gardens continue to flourish, they stand as a living tribute to Mai Sahib's enduring vision. Inspired by the vision of late Srimati Taramai Vartak, whose life was dedicated to education, empowerment, and service to the society, a meaningful celebration was organized to honor women. On 9th March 2026, Padma Shri Bhausaheb Vartak College and NG Vartak Junior College proudly organized the Stri Shakti Gaurav Puraskar at the college ground. The event commemorated International Women's Day and the birth centenary of late Srimati Taramai Vartak. The program was dedicated to recognize the achievement of extraordinary women. More than an award ceremony, the event became a tribute to strength of women and reaffirmation of values of respect, equality, and empowerment.
From every lamp, a dream takes flight, guided by Mai's enduring light. A century cherished, a future bright. Together we celebrate this festive night. As a part of the birth centenary year celebrations of late Srimati Taramai Vartak, the AV Education Society organized Diwali Sandhya, a vibrant celebration of culture, tradition, and unity. A special cultural program by NG Vartak English Medium High School and Junior College showcased Indian tradition and values. The centenary exhibition by Srimati Taramai Vartak Memorial Academy highlighted Mai's inspiring life. With enthusiastic participation from the entire education community, Diwali Sandhya became a memorable tribute to Mai's enduring vision and legacy.
In a meaningful initiative to support the well-being of educators, the AV Education Society, in collaboration with Jeevan Vidya Mission, organized a seminar on teachers and stress management. The keynote session was led by Shri Prahlad Dada Vamanrao Pai, who inspired teachers with valuable insights on stress management, value-based education, responsible citizenship, and the vital role teachers play in shaping society. Volunteers from Jeevan Vidya Mission introduced various educational initiatives aimed at holistic students' development. The seminar concluded with an engaging interactive session, leaving participants motivated, refreshed, and committed to creating a more mindful and value-driven educational environment.
Srimati Taramai Vartak Memorial Academy, in association with Padma Shri Bhausaheb Vartak College, conducted a theme-based reading campaign from September 2025 to June 2026 to foster reading habits, language skills, creativity, critical thinking, and lifelong learning. Students from classes 1st to 12th participated in 3 groups and read books in English, Marathi, and Hindi based on monthly themes. Their reading progress and book reviews were regularly monitored by teachers. An author talk by Dr. Felix D'Souza on 3rd August 2026 further inspired students to develop effective reading habits and a love for books.
शतकपूर्ती हा केवळ एका महान व्यक्तिमत्वाचा उत्सव नाही, तर त्यांनी दिलेल्या विचारांचा, मूल्यांचा आणि समाजसेवेच्या संस्कारांचा उत्सव आहे. माईंडची ज्योत अशीच तेवत राहू. चला तर मग आज आपण संकल्प करूया, माईंडचे कार्य आपल्या वाटेवरील दीपस्तंभ असो, त्यांचे विचार आपली दिशा असो, त्यांचे संस्कार आपली ताकद असो आणि सेवाभावाची त्यांची परंपरा पुढे नेणे हीच आपली जबाबदारी असो. माईंच्या विनम्र स्मृतीला अभिवादन आणि त्यांच्या कार्याला मनपूर्वक नमन.